In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create push notification campaign in Omnisend. Push notifications are a fast, attention-grabbing way to reach your customers right on their desktop or Android devices. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to enable push on your store and open the campaign builder inside Omnisend so you're set up to craft and send effective messages. Start by logging into your Omnisend dashboard. This is your central hub for everything related to your store's messaging. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, head to Store Settings and open the Push Notifications section. This is where you turn on the push channel for your website and manage how subscribers are collected. Think of it as the switchboard that connects your site to your customers' browsers. Here, click Collect Push Channel Subscribers. Omnisend will guide you through a short setup to connect your website. Your site must use HTTPS for push to work. This secure connection is required by modern browsers to protect your visitors and ensure permission prompts are trustworthy. During the prompts, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to confirm your website address and allow notifications in your browser. If your platform offers a one-click integration, use it for a smooth setup. If not, simply follow the provided steps and let Omnisend handle the rest. A quick note on compatibility. Push notifications work on Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Edge. They don't work on iPhone or Safari at this time. That means you'll get the best results by testing and subscribing on a supported desktop browser or an Android device. Keep this in mind when you plan your audience expectations. Once your site is connected and you're collecting subscribers, it's time to create your campaign. Go to Campaigns. In the left menu, click Campaigns to open your campaign dashboard where all your messages live. Click New Campaign to begin. When you're prompted to choose a channel, select Push Notification and then Create Notification. This opens the Push Campaign Builder, where you'll be able to craft the content of your notification. You'll see options to define your message and where it should lead. Keep your copy short, clear, and action-oriented, and make sure the destination URL matches the promise in your message. Use the preview to see how it appears in supported browsers before you proceed. That's it. You've enabled Push Collection on your site and reached the Push Campaign Builder in Omnisend. From here, you're ready to personalize and finalize your notification for your audience.